Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to show the rainbow man effect in Odoo version 12. So if I go to the CRM and if I create a new lead in the pipeline, so I'll just switch to the list view, and if I click on create button and I'll just create a new opportunity, that is just I will create a new opportunity named Odoo implementation, and I'll just enter the expected revenue as a rough value. Okay, that's done. And if I save and if I click on the mark one button, you can see you are getting a rainbow man effect. So let's see how we can do this inside our code. That is, we will see how we can do the same inside our hospital module. So if I go to the hospital management module that we are creating, I will go to the hospital and then to the appointments. I will just switch to the tree view and I will open a existing draft record. So what we are going to do is that we have to get the same effect, that is rainbow man effect, on clicking the confirm button. So I'll just activate the debug mode. So let's wait until the debug mode is activated. So if I place the mouse over the confirm button, you can see the method is action underscore confirm. So I'll go to my custom add-ons, and if I take OM hospital module, and if I go to the models folder and then to the appointment.py function py file, and if I search for action confirm, here you can see this is the corresponding button. So earlier we have only added this much code, that is just on clicking the button we will return the state as confirm. So here you can see I have added a few more things, that is I have added a new return with effect. Effect is given fade out, slow, and message, that is appointment confirmed, and in the type I have given the type as rainbow man. So if I search this inside the Odoo code, you can see the usage inside the CRM lead. So this is the existing file. So this is the action that is getting executed on clicking the action one button inside the CRM. So I go through the corresponding function, and you can see this is the responsible function to display the rainbow effect. So I have just copied the same thing and I have pasted it here inside our function, that is return effect. Inside the effect you have to specify fade out, slow, and message. Anything you can give. I have just given the message as appointment confirmed and type is given as rainbow man. So I'll just restart the service. So you can see service has got restarted. Now I'll just click on the confirm button. So if I click on confirm button, you can see it's loading. Yeah, you can see the messages appointment created and the rainbow effect. So if you need to change the message appointment confirmed, thank you, I'll just expand the message, that is I have changed the message to appointment confirmed, thank you, type is given as rainbow man. So as I have made changes inside the Python, I'll just restart the service once more, and I will go here and I'll just take another appointment, that is draft appointment. So let's switch to the tree view, and here we have got a draft record. So the confirm button will be only visible in the draft state. So if I click on the confirm button, you can see appointment confirmed, thank you, with the rainbow smiley. So that's all about how you can add the rainbow effect. So you have to return in the inside the dictionary, you have to give effect, fade out has to be specified as slow, message you can give anything which will be displayed in the user interface, and type should be given as a rainbow man. So that's all about this video. So if you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe the channel to get notified regarding all the updates. Thank you.